Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have Collage Pro templates. These are in 2.31 GB and but don't worry, I have already compressed for you. So this file is 900 MB. You see here 900 and here is 22 atom. Control A and untick this file, property, and you see here 2.31 GB of 21 files, 0 folder and 21 file, and you see here 21 items selected. Okay, that's mean high definition files. So you see here resolution and size. This file for Photoshop CC 110 MB and 115 10, and that's mean high definition. So you can use it in Photoshop CC. So first I drag this file, reading Photoshop format. Wow. And you see here even more contrast. You see the contrast, and if you need it more contrast, depend yourself. Regular contrast, light sleek. Wow, light sleek overlay, second, third. Wow, you select anyone, one, or you select 3 options, depend your own self. Okay, and here is debris, color effect. You see for here is 8 color effect and color space 1 2 3 4, depend your own self. Lens flare. Wow, you see. Wow. Okay, and here is black and white. Text edit, you can text edit or write anything. Stroke, this shape is have a stroked and unstroked. Image 1 2 3 4. So wow, shadow, dark element shape, background. Wow, lightning, and here is simple background. You just see you can change it. So and just one image, extract this file and right click, replace content, double click here and open any photo file, for example like this, drag to but it's okay, Control S. Wow, you see here our photo adjust in this shape. So next file is image 2. You see here, extract this file as extract this folder and open new file. Control S. Here is your second photo, but I enter Control S. Where our second photo, you see here you can more adjust, and third photo of this shape. Like this. Control S. Oh, enter, Control S, and you see there you can edit more. So here is 4 option. Control S, and you can change it. Oh, sorry, Control S, Control S, and you see here, or you can adjust like this, Control S, and you see here. Okay, this is the first fold to Collage Pro with many options, a light leak, overlay, light effect, or many more. So next option is this. Here is just one photo option and write your own text. Brochures Templates fashion photographer. Wow, excellent work. So double click here. Simply you know about overlays or elements. Control S. Wow, okay, and you see here regular color effect, lens, and black and white. Wow, so I close this file and open last file. I know you can do better, and very easy and very simple. So you can add your image, you can add your one by one. Here is I think here is 4 option for photo. Here are 5 or 6. 1 photo option, 4. I think you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, write your own name or change background, change apply overlay. Browser amount. Wow, last photo is just you open one by one and write your own name, or you can apply entrance overlay like this, or okay. Okay, I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.